Hello everyone, today I am here with an intense smoky eye look. You can recreate this look in any night occasion or simply in Nabami. Let's start with the eyebrow. I am filling the gaps with an eyebrow powder and then I will use an eyebrow mascara which will set my eyebrows in its place. Next up, I am using a concealer for making the base for my eyeshadows and also cleaning up the lower side of my eyebrows so that it gives a clean look. Now I am blending the concealer and setting it with a powder. Now I'll use a Kajal to draw a very thick line of Kajal very close to my lash line. You don't have to be very precise with this line because we will blend it anyway. Here I have started blending it with a pencil brush. I am carefully blending this black Kajal below my crease line, not going above it. Now taking a brown eyeshadow, I'll blend the edges. Next I am taking this mauvey plum shade and blending it into my crease. Here I am using a fluffy blending brush and blending it with a circular motion. Again taking the Kajal and applying it very close to my lash line once more, blending it with the pencil brush. Next up, I'll pack this matte black eyeshadow on top of it using a flat shader brush. Now taking that same plum color, I'll blend that black eyeshadow into my crease with that fluffy blending brush. Now I am picking that black eyeshadow in a very little amount and blending it into the crease. Now using this medium mauve color, I'll blend the edges. Look how diffused and blended out this transition is looking. Blending with patience is the only key to achieve smooth transition of colors. Applying Kajal into my waterline and also tightlining with it. Using a pencil brush, I am blending that Kajal. Cleaning up the fallouts if there are any. Now applying the primer. Now I'll create the base, dotting the foundation all over my face and neck. I'll blend it with a flat top kabuki brush to achieve the highest coverage. Because I feel with a smoky eye look, clean base is very important. Applying some extra concealer than usual because with smoky eye you should take some extra care in highlighting and concealing the under eye areas. Otherwise, it tends to look like panda eyes or you can say nan eyes. Now taking the foundation brush, I'll blend the concealer into the foundation so that everything looks cohesive and seamlessly blended out. Taking the compact powder, I am setting the concealed areas. Applying some Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder onto my under eyes, it gives a blurred and filtered look. Taking the black eyeshadow on a flat shader brush, I am setting the lower lash line. Now taking the plum shade and again blending the edges. I'll apply a trick here. I'll take some compact powder on a clean brush and I'll clean the under eye area if there is any extra color spread. Taking a highlighting shade, I am highlighting the inner corner and my brow bone. Next up, I am contouring my face for bringing back all the dimensions. Blending my hairline, contouring my jawline and my nose. Next up, I am applying some blushes, curling up my lashes and applying some mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Spritzing the makeup fixing spray, applying some highlighters, now I am choosing the lip shade. I think the last one will look perfect, so I am applying that. But no, I need a bit brown into it. So I am taking this brown shade from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink range and mixing it up with the previous color. Now finally I am happy with this lip color. Applying one last coat of mascara as I am not using any false lashes. Tell me how has this look turned out? If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends.